how to make a noob avatar in Roblox PC. So in this video, I'll show you how to make the classic noob avatar in Roblox. Now, first thing you need to do is go and load up the Roblox app and then click on avatar from the left hand side. Now go and press customize. And the first thing you need to do is go and deselect any pieces of clothing that you're currently wearing. So you can do that just by deselecting the piece of clothes like this. Now once everything's deselected, click on body and press build. You then need to scroll down the page and make sure you have R6 selected like this. Now click on body again and this time press skin. Go and click on advanced. Click on all and then go and select this yellow tone. Now click on torso and select the blue color. Now you need to adjust the slider in order to make sure it's the correct shade of blue. You can then click on left leg, click on this shade of green, and you may need to go and adjust the slider once again. You can also do the same for the right leg as well. Make sure to go and adjust the green just like so. Now the last thing you need to do is click on body and then click on the drop down arrow. Go and select torso and you need to deselect all of these options. So I'm going to deselect this. You could then do the same for the right arm as well. Make sure everything is deselected. So I'm going to keep going through this list and I'm going to keep deselecting all of these different options. As you can see, we have now created a noob avatar in Roblox on our computer.